What is going on, guys? Welcome to our channel again. So today our video is going to be a little bit different. We found a classic 1949, right?
Yeah, it's 1949 Ford F1.
That's right, F1. We're not talking F-150, F1. This is a classic. So we're going there, heading there right now. We're going to go pick it up and what we can potentially sell the car for. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be a very simple flip. There's not much to it. It's not wrecked. Just might need maybe some cleaning, some restoration. But other than that, should be good. So the truck has been picked up. It is being towed right now to the house. We're going to the house to make some room in the garage for the truck and do some serious cleaning. That thing is filthy inside, outside. Do some nice wash on the outside. Clean whatever we can, and then we're just gonna post it as is. So
just gonna post it on a Craigslist or eBay.
Yep.
For both, and just trying to get the profit out of this car.
So this one does not run. It doesn't start. Honestly, we don't even know when was the last time it was started. And
probably like 20 years ago.
Probably. It's been sitting for a while. I mean, you guys will see what kind of cars we found in this guy's garage. He's got all kinds of cars. He's got exotics. He's got some classics. But some of his cars just sit there for years. So he decided to sell this one. But yeah, we believe we can make some good money on it. We'll actually be here any minute. We got the hood here. We didn't want that hood on the truck because it doesn't latch and we don't want that thing flying off, so that'll stay. So we got the blocks ready. The truck has no brakes, so right when we park on the driveway, we have a really sloped driveway. We need to put those behind the wheels and we're gonna start cleaning it. And like I said, all we're gonna do is just gonna vacuum it, give it a nice wash, and post it as is.
Pepsi Cola can.
Look at that, it's even sealed on top. Show them the top.
Yeah.
Look at that, it's sealed, so they opened it from the bottom.
75th anniversary from 1898 to 1973.
And they opened it from the bottom, which is weird. I don't know why they did that.
To save the
Maybe the
bottle.
top, yeah. That's cool. That's a cool one though.
So it's good for your collection. Then we found the General Motor Oil.
Wow, that's cool.
You can look at this.
Nice.
Kind of interesting how they open this.
Uh-huh.
Maybe that's the old way.
Yeah, that's a visor.
Some visors. Not interesting.
A bunch of plates.
Plates. I think that's the oldest one.
Probably. Look at that. He used to say colorful. Colorado.
Colorful.
Yeah. Not so colorful though, I'd say.
Yeah.
And there's a front plate.
67.
67. Wow.
And bunch of parts.
Look, back in the days, look, they didn't do stickers. It was imprinted.
Yeah.
So brand new plates always.
Yeah.
Wow. So yeah, a bunch of parts. You got like springs. You got the tow hook. That's cool. That's like an old lock. And
old lock, yeah.
Does it still spin?
Not really. We need WD-40. Yeah.
So yeah, a bunch of stuff. This looks like something for like for your steering, but I'm not sure. I might be wrong. Screwdriver, big old bolts. That's more screwdrivers. Then you got big old nails. That bullet, original handle there too. So, and then there's that plate, 1974. Oh, look at this. US postage. 8 cents. Isn't that crazy?
What's inside?
Money?
What's inside?
Oh, rip off. Okay, you know what? We gotta look at home remodeling. Wow. Look at that. And a business card.
Mm-hmm. Ceiling,
Should we call him?
painting, roofing.
Mr. Tony Springer.
Weabla. From
Thomas.
internal medicine.
Oh.
Some medicine stuff.
Well, let's take a look. It's like treasure, man. Medical bills back in the day.
Oh man.
Look at that. Dang.
15 bucks, 35 bucks.
35 bucks for what?
For
Dude.
everything.
Whoa. Supposed to be a heart transplant. Dang, look at that. What year was it? Does it show you a year? October 72.
Oh yeah.
Second. Wow. That is cool. 1971.
Tax return.
Ah. Oh, yeah. This looks like a speeding ticket.
Oh yeah. Back in the day.
Pretty delicate. Ooh.
There is something on it. 71st year.
Yeah, 74.
Year.
Man, I wonder if this is something like you pay for the car.
Customer number. I see the holes word.
Holes.
And that's it.
Core
All
charge.
claims and
Oh,
returns.
I think this might be something for like a maintenance record or
the Ford
something.
maintenance.
Yeah. Levitt.
Levitt.
Havana Street, Aurora, Colorado. Ooh.
Oh. What is this?
Postal
Fine. It's like mail postage.
Borrow
up.
up to 3,000 airmail.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Wells Fargo 1.1.
What?
Money by mail.
Dang.
What's the percentage rate? 35% rate. It's crazy.
Wow. That's insane. All right. Let's keep this one.
Yeah.
This one's pretty cool. Look at that. 4th Street, Arapahoe. Supermarket. Groceries. Oh, it's a grocery list. Oh, look at this nail. Oh. This one over here. Man, check out this glove box though. Look at that. It's a whole see-through. That's the glove box, and then right there we have the, believe this is like for the cigarette ashtray. Yeah. And obviously your stereo, which doesn't work. I know, it's maybe fixable. Big steering wheel, the shifter, and then yeah, so this is the fuel tank. This is where you pour the fuel, and there's a tank right here. It's a big one. It's like a little compartment there. You can put a bunch of stuff, tools and stuff. Pretty nice flatbed. So that's it. There's a little toolbox here. trying to drain the water, pour a bunch of water in there. And then, so this is actually custom. This metal bracket right here, this is all custom. See, these are actually our original taillights, but they installed these. It's kind of interesting. All the emblems are in. You got the big emblem there. All the letters are still in.
So yeah, right now it's ready to go on a Craigslist.
Yep. Craigslist and
So
eBay.
just gonna take some picture right now, and it's ready to go.
Okay, so how do you latch it?
Throw this away, and
So you have to push it, right? Make sure you don't push the pin.
push it,
Uh-huh.
and
That goes there.
doing
Okay.
this, and yeah,
that's
this
the
is
same.
go right here.
Nice, and this is fully latched.
Yeah.
Look at that. Imprinted Ford. Man, that's deep though.
Welcome to the 1949 interior
Wow.
Ford.
Dang. So yeah, the mileage looks like it's 85,000. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, 85,000. This is a big old steering wheel.
Guys, thank you for watching. Check out our different other videos, and we'll do some more fun videos in the future.
Yeah, comment below. Let us know. Let us know what you guys think of this truck, what these are worth, if you guys had any of these, and your guys' experience. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.